A person becomes a client the minute they say yes to you. So if you download, let's say your attraction system is download a guide, right? You have a guide, a checklist, or some sort of lead magnet. They become a client of yours the first time that they say yes. So every time somebody says yes to you, you need to have some way to welcome them. Does that make sense? Like, it's not like the time that somebody says yes to a trip, they've already touched you, interact with you multiple times by then. And so you need to have some sort of onboarding process, although it may not be as extensive as when they become a paid booked client with you, but you need to have some sort of welcome kit every single time somebody says yes to anything that you provide. And so what we're doing inside of phase 2 of the bootcamp is we're really crafting not only your welcome kit to your travel request process, but your welcome kit in terms of introducing who your business is, right? What does that look like? We want to also make sure that you have workflows put in place associated with your travel request process, and that you have an onboarding process, right? From the time that somebody says, yes, I want to have you do a quote, what does that look like? From the time that they say, yes, I want to actually meet with you, what's your follow-up game going to be afterwards? What are you going to say to them after they say yes to the design fee? All of that requires some sort of delivery mechanism. You are not just a travel advisor that books. You actually have processes before the booking that you want to make sure that you onboard people correctly, because that is the introduction to you.
Reply CEO to join our Travel CEO session.